guys, time for another video. Doing another mod. On my way now to the dealership. I did not want to do this one myself. It's not that I couldn't do it. I just didn't want the hassle of taking off my bumper and ripping apart part of my exhaust again. I'm doing a catback exhaust system by Fabspeed, so it's going to be the Fabspeed Valvetronic is going on. It's going on this bad boy now. It's going to be. I think it's going to be pretty good. It's like the car sounds amazing just with the Sport Cats, and I'm thinking with the Valvespeed or with the Fabspeed Valvetronic, it's just going to take it over the top. It's going to give it that little extra that I'm looking for. So should be good. So yeah, going to the dealer. He's going to do the install. They also have to do the there's the AFM valve, NPP valve relearn, just to make sure it doesn't throw a check engine light. So I want all that stuff. I want it done right. I want to, just dropping it off now. I'm going to pick it up tomorrow, and should sound good, and it should look awesome too, because I hate the square tips on this car. They look like crap, if you ask me. It's a big thumbs down for GM on that part. But yeah, we'll set it up and we'll see how she goes. All right, guys, I'll check in with you later on. Take it easy. There she is, boys. Going in to get the Fabspeed exhaust put on. Oh, there's the police vehicle. Ghost car. Make the boys proud, even Cam. Alright, just make a bunch of right-hand turns, you'll get back here eventually. Yep, just got it in girl mode. Well, guys, Sport Cats are in, as you guys all know, and the Fabspeed exhaust is in. It's gonna be a little bit of a sound test for you guys driving the car. The other day I was driving it to get them installed, and you could, it's loud. It's gonna be louder than some people are gonna like. But I like it. Let's see if we can do this without dropping the phone. guys can hear that. It's it changes it. This thing, the Sport Cats and the Fabspeed Valvetronic exhaust puts this thing over the top. This thing sounds incredible, whether you're idling, whether you're going at throttle, whether you're just cruising, you can hear the thing. Like before, I'd have to roll down my window, the back window in the convertible. Right now it's rolled down. I had to roll it down before to hear the engine. I don't have to do that now. This thing is loud. It's whoops. It's loud. It's what you want. Big thumbs up. To give it, keep letting off.
Huh?
Make for a bad video.
Oh, I don't want to get pulled over by the cops.
Oh yeah, the cops. We're not breaking no laws. We're in Mexico.
Oh, Mexico.
Mexico. Fabspeed exhaust with a 2M Cats. That's where you gotta go. Drive over to Mexico, just howl on it, have some fun, and it's like this basically brings it into douchebag mode. You're just like, they hear you way before they see you. Yep, just cruising along, you know. Okay guys, we're gonna do a cold, semi-cold start, but everything is a cold start with this setup. Fabspeed exhaust, the Valvetronic with the 2M Sport Cats. Start her up, man. I forget it. Anyways, she growls. Whether your valves are open or closed, it's a huge difference. Huge difference. Fabspeed, #1 in the business. Look at those little pipes. Those are their new muffler design. They're just like puny little pipes. All right, guys, that's it.